synaptic misfire in Dirk's brain was causing the thinking process to become stuck on insignificant issues, stunting his growth in space. The dirty thing was the corporate mental disorders as they became known. Now the roads to the ice station are barely passable. Four-wheel drive or chains. It's the sun's trying to break through, but it's cold out.
Alright, moving right along.
Access panel on there.
Picture here.
We've got some snow.
Come on, Pete, watch out, so you don't step on me. What are you?